Did you know that Trump is giving $5,000 baby bonus? This is very sweet, that you get $5,000 for having a baby. But without insurance, that's just a down payment on the baby's first sneeze. Let's be real. Without health insurance, one sneeze could cost more than a stroller, crib, and your sanity combined. That's why we recommend that before everyone gets busy making babies. Maybe get busy getting health insurance first. Trust us, diapers are expensive, but hospital bills? Now that's the real labor pain. Reach out to Insurance Center Helpline today. We can help you choose the right health insurance so you can keep the $5,000 from Trump and not just spend it all on one hospital visit. Let's make sure that cash goes to diapers, not doctor's bills. Thanks, Trump. Now, if only babies came with their own bank accounts.